Hey everybody, welcome to Dr. Tech Pro channel. Today's video we testing and turn it on this device, car power inverter or solar power inverter, 24 volt DC to 220 volt AC. For this device you can use 24 volt battery or 12 volt battery. We choose 12 volt battery. So let's go to turn it on and test this device. For convert 12 volt to 24 volt by 2 battery, you need wiring series. For series wiring battery, you need this cable. Please attention, that's important thing. You need connect positive. This battery connect positive. Okay. For series wiring, 2 negative other battery. Positive to negative other battery. Okay. Before this series, I try measuring batteries voltage. I try measuring this battery. As you can see, 12 volt, and this battery is at 12 volt. Now with the series wiring battery, I try measuring again. As you can see, 25 volt, 25 volt battery by series connecting wiring battery. This device input DC positive and DC negative. 24 volt input. Let's test and turn it on this device. For test this device, we need a 24 volt battery. Before test, please subscribe Dr. Tech Pro channel and like and comment. Connect negative cable to negative battery and connect positive cable to positive other battery. That's good. Okay, I try turn it on this. Oh, that's good. You can see here power inverter have a LCD display, input or output and watt. Let's try turn it on this device. For example, I put this. Okay, my friend, as you can see, we turn it on 24 volt power inverter with the 2 battery 12 volt. By series wiring is easy and simple. Thank you very much and goodbye.